Before we began suppressing fires about 100 years ago, meadows, forested meadows in the high country of the western U.S. were fairly common. Since fire suppression, we've seen an encroachment of the conifer trees, which have sucked up the water, kind of dropped the water table, and led to the decline of some really important species from a wildlife habitat standpoint. In this area, we can see some quaking aspen that is a species that suffered as a result of fire suppression. So in this particular operation that we just conducted a few weeks ago, we actually came into these meadowed areas and cut out the encroaching conifer, and we are going to fence the area to exclude cows for several years to enable the aspen to regenerate. This activity will reduce the water uptake in this area. We'll see the water table rise. This mountain meadow will return and perform its historic ecological function. So this was an activity that we did in partnership with the California Department of Fish and Wildlife, and one that's going to enhance wildlife habitat and also enable us to continue to manage the timber around the historic meadow.